How much and Shiba coin, my friend? Absolutely very important question of all holder, my brother. People ask this: how much is Shiba coin, my brother? So let's see, my brothers, to how much. But kindly, holder, please, before I get start this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you subscribe it now, my brother. This time you can see here. This time, unlike Bitcoin, which is currently trading at around 35,000 per coin, my brother. What's very bad, my friend, very bad for all of you to do, especially BTC, my friend. Very Bitcoin is very badly fails down, and I think they will fails down from 60 USD dollar, 60,000 USD dollar to, my friends, 35 USD dollar. So it's a really bad news for all of you. But this time, my friend, the Shiba Inu goes for just a tiny sliver of a penny, about 0.00508082 per token, my brother. So I think this is just last two updates, and absolutely, my friend, this time also the price is that. So absolutely the current price. So my brother, this time the price is very cheap now, and I hope, my friend, the price will be increasing in upcoming time. But my friend, when Bitcoin absolutely price is increasing, so they will take a very high time now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they also will increasing the price will be increasing. But this in all, my friend, this need investment. If you of a holder starting investment, so I hope the price will be increasing now. And absolutely the Shiba Inu team start working very highly, and they are, my friend, promote this coin, collaborate a lot of countries, companies. So absolutely I hope this is possible to they will move effort. But kindly, holder, this is just need, my friend, investment. If a holder starting investing in very highly, so I hope they will be hit now 1 cent now in upcoming time. Let's see, my brother. For more question, please comment your answer a question. I will answer you in a video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.